How to cancel Instacart order. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can cancel your Instacart order. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To cancel your Instacart order, maybe you're using the Instacart application or your browser. First of all, it depends upon how long has it been since you placed your order. Because if you placed the order for a certain food and what happened over here is that maybe the owner has already started to prepare that or something like that, then in that case it's not cancelable. But if it's like a product and if it also has the refund policy, you can simply cancel the order if the package has been shipped to the warehouse. So go to instacart.com or the app and log into your account. Tap on the three lines option from the top left. Then from here you'll find an option that says your orders, so make sure to tap on your orders. And once you tap on your orders option, you'll be able to see a list of orders that you've made, and then you'll find the option to cancel them if it is eligible for cancellation. That's all it takes to cancel your Instacart order. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.